Welcome back to Baby to Child. In today's review, we're diving into something that might surprise you, a set of math manipulatives. Specifically, we'll be looking at the hand2mind 1610 blocks, also known as base 10 blocks. These colorful little blocks are designed to help young learners understand fundamental math concepts like place value, addition, subtraction, and even more advanced skills like multiplication and division. Whether your child is just starting their math journey or working on mastering some key concepts, these blocks promise to be a valuable tool. Let's see how they perform. Now, let's take a closer look at what you get in the set. The hand2mind 1610 blocks come with a variety of pieces that represent different values. You've got your units, little blocks that stand for 1, rods that represent 10, flats for 100, and cubes for 1000. This gives kids a tactile, visual way to explore how numbers work together. Pieces are made of sturdy plastic, with a bright blue color that's easy to spot and handle, which is a plus for little hands that are still developing fine motor skills. In real-world testing, these blocks definitely stand out in terms of engaging kids. Setting them up is easy. Just separate the different types of blocks and let your child start building their numbers. I found that using them to demonstrate basic addition and subtraction really helped bring those concepts to life. For example, when my little one had to figure out how to add 23 plus 15, they could physically stack the rods and units to see the equation unfold. Simple but effective, and it really helped them grasp place value. But here's the catch. While these blocks are a great hands-on way to introduce math, they may not be as exciting for older kids or those already familiar with these concepts. So, while they're perfect for early learners, they might not hold the attention of kids in later grades. As for the pros, these blocks are fantastic for visual learners. Tactile experience makes abstract concepts much more concrete. The variety of block types makes it easy to demonstrate everything from basic counting to more complex operations. Plus, they're durable and well-made, so they'll hold up to a lot of playtime. On the flip side, the cons. They're somewhat limited in their use once kids move beyond basic math. They're not exactly the most exciting tool for older students, and some might find them a bit too basic. There's also no real interactive element beyond the hands-on counting, so they can feel a little flat after a while, especially for kids who thrive on digital or interactive learning methods. When it comes to value for money, these blocks are reasonably priced for what they offer. Considering how well they're made and how they can be used to reinforce a wide range of early math concepts, they're a solid investment for homeschooling or supplemental learning. But if your child is well past the basics, you might not get as much use out of them, so it's worth considering whether they'll truly engage your little one. In terms of comparisons, there are other math manipulatives out there like the Learning Resources Base 10 blocks, which are similar in design but might come in a different color scheme or offer different features like a more compact storage solution. Compared to those, the hand2mind blocks seem a bit more straightforward with fewer extras, but they're still a solid choice for younger learners. Now, for build quality and longevity, the blocks are made from a sturdy plastic that seems durable enough for regular use. There's no concern about them breaking down over time, so you're looking at something that should last through multiple kids or years of schooling. If you're buying them for an older child, though, you might not get as much longevity out of them since their educational value might peak sooner. I haven't had to contact customer support for this product, and as of now, there haven't been any major software or hardware updates to note, which is typical for something like this. The brand itself has a good reputation for quality educational tools, so I'd expect any customer support experiences to be straightforward if needed. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something cheaper, you might want to check out other base 10 block sets on the market. Some off-brand options might be less expensive but still offer the same basic educational value. Just make sure you're getting blocks that are durable and easy for little hands to work with. To wrap things up with a final verdict, the hand2mind 1610 blocks are a solid choice for young learners just starting to grasp math concepts. They do exactly what they're meant to do, make abstract math feel real and tangible. They're simple, effective, and well-built. However, if your child is already well past the basics, they might not offer as much ongoing value. They're great for what they are, but you'll need to consider your child's age and skill level before deciding if they're the right fit. And hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our reviews here at Baby to Child. Got any questions about the blocks or want to share your experience? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep counting the little moments with your little ones